my channel. It's very hot in Thailand. Like, yeah, it's very hot because it's summer right now. Well, I'm making easy, very easy. 3-ingredient blueberry sorbet. So we'll need 500 grams of, how do you call that? Frozen blueberries. 8 ounces of pomegranate juice and 1 date or medjool date. Okay guys, let's get started. First, we're putting in the frozen blueberries. Ah! Oh my god. Alright guys, here we'll need 8 ounces of pomegranate juice. Pour it. And next we'll need 1 medjool date. Or maybe if you don't have medjool dates, you can just use a regular date. Alright, now let's blend. Wow, it looks really nice. Guys, let's taste it. Okay. So good. This is nice. The weather is hot and I like it. It helps cool you down. Oh, I'll put it in a container. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, I will see you in the next video, and please watch either of these YouTube videos that YouTube is recommending for you to watch. Okay? And I will see you in the next video. Bye!